Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti, celebrated on 2nd October, is one of the three national festivals of India, the two other being Independence Day 15 August and Republic Day 26 January. Gandhi was the greatest freedom fighter of his times, and his popularity traveled beyond national boundaries, a reason why Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated not only in India but also in some foreign countries like Africa and United States of America. Gandhi Jayanti celebration. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated as a sober affair reminiscent on his life, freedom fighter and teachings. People gather in offices and other relevant places to discuss and talk about his contribution to the freedom struggle and his unwavering faith in truth and nonviolence. The statues of Mahatma Gandhi are washed and garlanded as a mark of respect. People belonging to all sections of society assemble below the statue and remember what their father of the nation had taught them through his life and messages. In the national capital Delhi, eminent political personalities rushed to Rajghat, where Mahatma Gandhi was cremated. They offer floral wreaths and talk about his contribution to the freedom struggle, remembering his teachings. Gandhi Jayanti in South Africa. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated not only in India but also in South Africa, where he stayed for 21 years as a lawyer and a civil rights activist, fighting for the rights of Indians and native South Africans. Then South Africa was a British colony and discrimination against Indians and native Africans was rampant. Mahatma Gandhi was instrumental in fighting for the rights of not only Indians working in Africa but also for the rights of native Africans, a reason why Gandhi Jayanti is also celebrated in South Africa. Gandhi Jayanti as the International Day of Nonviolence. Mahatma Gandhi was known the world over for his policy of nonviolence. He always believed that protests that involve nonviolent methods are the best as they pose no harm to either the protesters or the oppressors. At the same time, it is effective in making an impact, gradually bending the oppressors to heed the demands. The United Nations General Assembly adopted a resolution on 15 June 2007 declaring 2nd October to be celebrated as International Day of Nonviolence. This came as a huge recognition of Gandhi's policy of truth and nonviolence. Mahatma Gandhi was a great Indian freedom fighter and a mass leader unparalleled to any. He was like a guiding light for millions of Indians in distress and despair. His teachings and his faith in truth is engraved deep into the Indian psyche. Every year on Gandhi Jayanti, people remember the noble soul and reinstate their faith in his words and principles.